Hello everyone, I am Dheeraj Naik working at Janki Devi Bajaj College of Science, Varda. Before joining JB College of Science, I had spent 6 years as a postdoctoral fellow in various institutes in United States, after which I returned to India. Welcome to EPG Pathashala program in botany subject. Today I will be talking on a topic of plant physiology, namely plant aquaporins. Plant being sessile in nature absorb water and nutrients from the surrounding region of the root system. Plant throughout their life cycle face various abiotic stresses such as drought, salinity, cold and flooding. These stress factors influence plant-water relationship, and therefore understanding of water transport across the plant cell membrane is essential. Plant cell membrane being lipophilic in nature restrict water transport across the cell membrane. It was believed earlier that water passes through this membrane by passive flow or by osmosis. The discovery of plant aquaporins, which was previously named as water channel proteins, are responsible for transport of water molecules and other selective molecules. In this module, we will study learning objectives of aquaporin. These are: study the ultrastructure of aquaporin, study the classification of aquaporin protein family, study the subcellular localization of aquaporin protein subfamily, study the tissue specific expression and role of aquaporins in different plant organs, study functions and role of aquaporins in plant water relation. Aquaporin are small family of pore forming integral membrane proteins embedded in a cell membrane in order to regulate the flow of water. Aquaporins regulate the flow of small molecules such as glycerol and volatiles such as carbon dioxide and ammonia. Aquaporin proteins are found in bacteria, plants and in mammals. There are 13 proteins which are found in mammals, and there are 6 proteins of aquaporin found in kidneys. In plants, there are 4 protein subfamilies which are found throughout the kingdom. As you can see in this, there is a diagrammatic representation of aquaporin which shows a transport of water molecule across the membrane. Aquaporins are previously renamed as water channel proteins. Presence of these water channel proteins increases the permeability to water of the cell membrane. Thousands of millions of water molecules per second pass through one single channel of aquaporin. Professor Agre from Johns Hopkins University has done pioneering work in identification of aquaporin. He has received a Nobel Prize for the discovery of aquaporins. In biological membranes, aquaporins occurs as a tetramer, and each monomer operates as a separate water channel. These monomers are composed of characteristic conserved arrangement of 6 membrane spanning helices linked by 3 extra and 2 intracellular loops. Both the N and C termini facing the cytosol. In the pore region, a highly conserved amino acid shows asparagine, proline, alanine, which is NPA, appears twice, forming a selective threshold. Hydrophobic region near the NPA motif are rate restrictive water barrier and reduces the interaction between water molecules. Together with aromatic and aromatic arginine region, which is an effective proton filter, the NPA motif, the protein passes 2-stage filter for the transport of water molecules. Higher plant aquaporins are subdivided into 4 subfamilies: tonoplast intrinsic protein, which are TIPs, nodulin 26 like intrinsic proteins, those are NIPs, small basic intrinsic proteins, those are SIPs, and plasma membrane intrinsic proteins, those are PIPs. Aquaporins show relatively large variability in subcellular localization. Tonoplast intrinsic proteins, which are TIPs, are expressed in vacuolar membrane, especially in tonoplast. NIPs, which are nodulin intrinsic proteins, are expressed in peribacterial membrane of nodules of leguminous plants. SIPs, which are small basic intrinsic proteins, are expressed in endoplasmic reticulum membrane, and PIPs, which are plasma membrane intrinsic proteins, are expressed and located in cell membrane as well as in organelle membranes. Aquaporins show organ specific localization as well. TIPs, which are tonoplast intrinsic protein, these TIPs, their transcript as well as proteins play important role in leaf expansion, root elongation and seed germination. NIPs, which are nodulin intrinsic proteins, particularly glycine max nod 26, which is GM nod 26, is the first plant aquaporin to be identified, is specifically expressed in nitrogen fixing root nodules of soybean. Plasma membrane intrinsic proteins, which are PIPs, are specifically expressed in roots, shoots and leaves. PIPs are also expressed in anthers during dehiscence. Water flow in plant body from roots to aerial parts of the plant. Flow of water regulated through apoplastic and symplastic pathways. In apoplastic pathways, water flows across the cell membrane throughout the cell wall. In symplastic pathway, water moves through cytoplasm and cellular membranes. Aquaporins are involved in symplastic pathway, facilitating transmembrane water flow across the cells as well as through subcellular compartments. A model has been reported as far as function of water transport with aquaporin. This model suggests the transport of water via regulated aquaporins to bundle sheath cells. From bundle sheath cell, water moves through three pathways: a transcellular pathway, a symplastic and apoplastic. The theory suggests the relative amount of water moving through each of these pathways can be altered by aquaporins in response to changes in a leaf water status, that is generally under optimal conditions. High levels of transpiration will encourage transport of water through apoplast by reducing the activity of aquaporin in mesophyll cells. Whereas in contrast, under less favorable condition where there is a possibility of plasmolysis, low water potential or low turgor pressure, there may be an increased aquaporin activity that encourages the transport of water through symplastic pathway. However, the regulation of distribution of water among these symplastic and apoplastic pathways are yet not understood. Stomatal aquaporins can affect the rate at which stomata open and close in accordance with the turgor of neighboring cells. The destination of liquid water that leaves the guard cell is still unknown. This water may enter into neighboring cells or the apoplast of stomatal cavity or be lost through the transpiration. Relative amount of water moving through each of these pathways can be altered by aquaporins in response to leaf water status. Plant aquaporins has multiple functions in plant growth and development. Plant aquaporins play a profound role in response to environmental stress factors such as salinity, drought, cold and flooding stress. Plasma membrane intrinsic proteins, which are PIPs, and tonoplast intrinsic proteins, which are TIPs, are more responsive to salinity, drought and cold stress. Plasma membrane intrinsic proteins as well as tonoplast intrinsic proteins regulate root hydraulic conductivity and rate of transpiration. Tonoplast intrinsic proteins along with nodulin intrinsic proteins are involved in nutrient homeostasis between root nodule forming bacteria and host legume. So, these aquaprotein subfamilies are involved in nitrogen assimilation. Nodulin intrinsic proteins as well as tonoplast intrinsic protein also interact with some of the pathogenesis related protein during pathogen infection. Let's summarize the topic. Aquaporins are membrane water channels that has high Conser structures and regulate the transport of water molecules and neutral solute molecules such as urea, boric acid and silicic acid, as well as gas molecules such as ammonia and carbon dioxide. Aquaporins has many isoforms with a distinct transport specificity as well as subcellular localization. Aquaporins play central role in plant-water relation. They mediate the regulation of water transport in response to various abiotic stress factors. Aquaporins mediate the regulation of water transport in expanding leaf tissues as well as in inner leaf tissues during transpiration. Aquaporin play multiple role in carbon and nitrogen assimilation. Thank you.